Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are watching a 5-star resort. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category, facilities also. As you can see on the screen, resort location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.4. Is the good? On this screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, open for and light-free options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category second. Room category 3. Room category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this resort. So you can see on the screen, 4 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this resort. The location of the resort is excellent and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. and the check-out time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Various deals and offers are available online for this resort, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this resort, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you have already checked out from this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So